When you have very good actors, you don't need to say everything. Like, I was really lucky with these guys. It's not difficult for us. I mean, we wrote it and it comes very easy to us, I think, and it comes naturally to me. That's what comes to me organically. I think it would be difficult for me to try and make a way to underline it, because I think I'd mess that up. If I had to make it obvious, I wouldn't do it well. So I should stick to doing what I do, what comes to me naturally. When you have very good actors, you don't need to say everything. Like, I was really lucky with these guys. You just get it, you just pick it up. And also, actors are really looking to get stuff like that, where they don't have to say everything, and they can also just be, and they can just use behavior and use their internal machinery to project things and to convey things and express stuff. So that comes naturally to me. And if people don't get it, they will get it. By the time the second or third or fourth film like this comes out, they will get it. That's how things change. So I think it's good.
The emotions are the same, because I think that somewhere I feel like someone said a very good thing, that the casting of Shefali was so good. She came across so well in the film. The reason she came across so well, because I think she's a mother. She's a mother of 2 sons. So somewhere she understands. So that really is important. There are certain actresses who are mothers, but still in their mind the transition has not taken place. In their minds, somewhere, they're still the young actresses. So what happens? They perform well, but that reality will not come. But for me, it was, for me, I feel that me as a human being, or as a person, as an actor, my transition as a father has taken place many years back. So I'm first a father, then an actor, then a leading man. So in my mind, and so that really helped me in this, when I performed this role, and there are times when you take cast actors, but in their mind still, they are still, not fathers. So somewhere I think that's a catch situation. So somewhere I think both our characters have really hit the chord with the audience, because mentally we are like that. But coming to your question, the question is that, yes, I'm completely opposite. I'm very democratic. It's not my way or highway in my house. It's very democratic. But there are sets, rules and regulations in the house. We obviously, my wife usually plays the bad cop, and sometimes I do play the bad cop. But otherwise, it's like we're all friends in the house, and everybody has a say. Absolutely. And we ask them once, nahi karna chahiye, and then we let them make the mistakes, and then they realize if they're making any mistakes, you can't know it's a mistake, don't do it. Aisa nahi hai. I let them be. They'll understand. So I'm completely opposite to what my character is in real life, to what Kamal Mehra is. That was much more fun for me to perform this role, because I'm doing something which it's not me at all. Yeah.
Anil sir's character, because there's so many negatives, there's so much negativity in his character, but at the same time he's so lovable, and he's somebody that anyone can really relate to. So I think even that one was challenging, because that's difficult to do, when you have so many shades of grey.
For me, it was, I felt Ranveer's character, I felt Kabir's character, because he didn't have that big a conflict. He was a young boy. He was he didn't know what he wanted to do. He hasn't grown up yet, and at the same time he is spoiled. He's a spoiled Delhi industrialist son. He's a spoiled Delhi rich brat, but you need to like him, you need to feel him. I mean, he doesn't know any better. He's been brought up in this world, and this is his world, and it's somewhere out of that he grows up and becomes a man and realizes this is not what I want, and this is not important, and this is it. I mean, like, that was a fine line. So you have to be very careful with that. I mean, for him to meet the Anushka Sharma character, and she says, I ran away, and he's like, but what did you do for money? He can't even understand being somewhere with nothing attached. So that was a very, for me, a fine character, because you can't just hate him. You can't just be like you're a spoiled brat. You have to still feel for him, but understand he's a spoiled brat. Yeah.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.